Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can obtain Hodges-Lehmann estimate for a one sample scenario with Python and my stikpetP library. I'm using JupyterLab with a Python kernel of 3.12.7. The Hodges-Lehmann estimate itself is a median of Walsh averages, and Walsh averages are like taking every possible pair of two scores and taking its average, including taking the value and the value itself, but not but the order is irrelevant. So the first and the third would be the same as the third and the first. So that would still be considered the same one, so only counted once. To show you how this can be done, I'll need to load in some data. So I'll import pandas and then load my student statistics data, which is actually some responses from students on a survey. One of those questions was about if the teacher could motivate them, and I'm going to use that one as my ordinal field, and I'll show you the frequencies once the data frame is actually loaded. I also separated the coding, so you can see that it was actually from fully disagree to fully agree. Great, the data has been loaded, so now I can show you, for example, 6 students fully agreed and 20 fully disagreed. Let's also load this coding in. Now, my stikpetP library is not available directly via pip install, but you have to really type in the entire link to my GitHub account. But once you installed it once, you can always import it just as any other library. It requires as input the function of interest is ME for measures, Hodges-Lehmann, and OS for one sample, which requires the data as input and optionally the levels for the coding. And that should give us the result that we're after. There is a small warning about something in the future, but I'll probably fix that in future versions, so don't worry about it. And the result in this case is 2.5. Alright, I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.